Riu ni mieri itatu irikitie kuinikirira kigina kia aruti wira thirikari gia Trustee to the Public Service Superannuation Scheme PSSS kiria marutaga gicunji na thirikari ikamarutira gicunji gitari kiragia na bodi ya gukiramata ta uria watho wendekithitie. Undu uria riu utumite kiama kia arutani ya secondary KUPPET kuria Minista wa kigina Prof NJUGUNA kwamura bodi ino orio. Kiama giki gia KUPPET kiugite kwaga gukorwo na bodi ya kuramata kigina giki kiria ni kiama bilioni ma mbeca ni ugwati munene na undu uyu ufatie gutangikirwo orio makiuga kwamurwo kwa bodi ino ni undu ukoretwo githarario ni turia nime.
For more than 3 months the fund has been operating without the management board, yet all nominating bodies including ourselves and government agencies have presented their appointees to the Cabinet Secretary for Finance as required by law.
KUPPET maugite ona thutha wao kuiguanira na makiheana maritwa ma andu eri macokire kwirwo macenjie maritwa ma andu acio na thutha wao kuregana na riendekithia riu macokire kumenya kwari na marua ma maigirira maria merikanaga maumite KUPPET mari na maritwa ma andu angi.
After KUPPET nominated our national treasurer Mr. Njenga for the appointment as a trustee, former NAT Secretary General Honorable Wilson Sosion, who holds no public office, tried in vain to have the union change its nominee.
The police force, the prisons, they have a group like cover for 5 years. Teachers don't have a group like cover. So this delay is very serious because there's teachers who are dying and they are not being taken care of simply because of this delay.
Gukiri uguo KUPPET maugite kumana na uria aruti wira a thirikari mahuruka wira matangikaga na gukirita ihinda iraya magikinyira kigina giki gia UKURU-INI hari na bata munene bodi ino ya murwo na maritwa magathikwo ngatheti-ini ya thirikari. Kuona riu murugamiriri munene wa kigina giki kia PSSS na aruti wira nio makoretwo magitua mamwe ma matua maria mafatie gukorwo magituo ni bodi.
The continued vacuum at board level leaves billions of shillings of pensioners' hard-earned savings at risk. KUPPET therefore urges the Cabinet Secretary, Professor NDUNGU, to immediately discharge his legal responsibility by gazetting the PSS nominees to safeguard pensioners' funds.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.